Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the GMKTEC NUCBox K9, a compact mini PC that promises big performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the design of the NUCBox K9. It sports a sleek and compact form factor, making it ideal for those who value portability without compromising on power. The chassis, while primarily plastic, features a silver finish that gives it a modern look. There are some ventilation grates and button details that add a touch of refinement. Though a more premium metal casing would have been appreciated given its price point. Under the hood, this mini PC packs a punch. It's equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 5125H processor, boasting 14 cores and 18 threads, which ensures smooth performance across various tasks. Graphics are handled by Intel Arc Graphics 112EUI GPU, which, while decent for most applications, falls short of dedicated GPUs for intensive gaming. Memory-wise, it comes with 32 GB of dual DDR5 RAM, expandable up to a whopping 96 GB, and a 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Connectivity options are robust, featuring USB 4, USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, along with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Now, let's talk performance. Whether you're into heavy-duty office work, creative applications like Photoshop and DaVinci Resolve, or even light gaming, the NUCBox K9 handles them admirably. The Intel CPU ensures snappy responsiveness in everyday use, while the ample RAM and fast SSD contribute to smooth multitasking and quick load times. One standout feature of the K9 is its expandability. It supports dual M.2 slots for storage upgrades and dual-channel RAM for easy memory expansion. This means you can future-proof your setup without much hassle, making it a versatile choice for users who want longevity from their investment. In terms of user experience, setting up the NUCBox K9 is straightforward, thanks to Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. The interface is familiar and optimized for productivity, though you might want to tweak settings for optimal performance based on your usage. So, should you consider the GMKTEC NUCBox K9? Absolutely, if you're looking for a powerful mini PC that doesn't take up much space. It excels in productivity tasks and offers flexibility for future upgrades. However, if gaming is a priority, you might want to look elsewhere or consider pairing it with an external GPU. That wraps up our review of the GMKTEC NUCBox K9. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.